In this video, we will generate the Laurent series polynomial of 1 over x. We begin with the data set of 1 over x. Array formula 1 over x from point 1 to 1.9. And we chart this. Insert chart. And we use scatter chart. Row 1 as header. And show the trend line, series trend line, polynomial to the 6th degree, and for the equation, the label, use the equation. For the legend, position at the bottom. So here's our trend line and polynomial of 1 over x. Next we continue with the Laurent series polynomial expansion, which is the summation of a times x minus 1 raised to the power n. Our value for n is from 0 to infinity, but 17 is good enough. And the value of a is equal to array formula minus 1 raised to the power n. And now we can complete the Laurent series polynomial expansion. So array formula, series sum, that's x minus 1. So x minus 1 raised to the power n, where n starts from 0, incremented by 1. And the coefficient will be this range, the a range. Enter. And we show the polynomial. So edit chart, series, trend line, the type polynomial, the degree 6. And for the label, use the equation. Now we have the polynomial, and there's an error here because this is only an approximation. This Laurent series is also an approximation. Next, we calculate the polynomial regression coefficient using Linest. To do that, we complete the Linest matrix, starting with the power. Transpose 0 to 6. And the elements of the matrix. Array formula of the x values raised to the power 0 to 6. Now we can use Linest data y and data x. Likewise, we can also use for the expansion Linest data y and data x. Now let's compare our polynomial regression coefficients with the chart. Coefficient of x to the 0, 16.8, 13.7. Coefficient of x, minus 86, minus 64.9. Coefficient of x squared, 206, 148. Coefficient of x cubed, minus 259, minus 181. Coefficient of x to the 4th, 178, 122. Coefficient of x to the 5th, minus 63.3, minus 42.8. Coefficient of x to the 6th, 9.04, 6.03. This completes the use of SERIESSUM LINEST in the polynomial regression of the Laurent series expansion in Google Sheets.